Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is commonly used in baking to make fluffy cakes and bread. However, its uses extend far beyond the kitchen. In this video, we'll reveal 7 unexpected health benefits of baking soda. 1. Relieves heartburn. Heartburn is a burning sensation caused by acid reflux, where stomach acid flows into the esophagus. Baking soda can neutralize stomach acid, offering quick relief. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink slowly. However, be cautious, as frequent use can lead to an imbalance in your body's pH and other health risks. Baking soda should be used occasionally for heartburn, not as a long-term solution. 2. Improves oral hygiene. If mouthwash burns your mouth, baking soda is a great alternative. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and swish it around in your mouth. Its antibacterial properties help reduce plaque and freshen breath. It also has mild abrasive qualities, which can help whiten teeth. Studies show that baking soda-based toothpaste is more effective at whitening than regular toothpaste. 3. Enhances athletic performance. Baking soda can help reduce muscle acidity during high-intensity workouts. By increasing your body's pH levels, it helps delay muscle fatigue. Studies have shown that athletes who consume baking soda can push their limits longer than those who don't. Try it before your next workout to potentially enhance your endurance. 4. Soothes skin irritations. Baking soda can help soothe skin irritations caused by insect bites, sunburn, or even itching. Mix it with cornstarch or oatmeal for relief, or dissolve a cup or 2 in a warm bath. You can also create a paste to apply directly to irritated areas for a more localized effect. 5. Relieves arthritis pain. Recent studies suggest that baking soda may help reduce inflammation, which is key in managing arthritis. It signals your body to reduce its immune response, lowering inflammation and providing relief. Research has shown that drinking a baking soda mixture can help lower inflammation in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. 6. Reduces bloating. Baking soda can provide short-term relief for bloating, often caused by indigestion or gas. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it to neutralize stomach acid and reduce bloating. Keep in mind that this is a temporary solution and should not be used for ongoing digestive issues. Always consult a doctor if bloating persists. 7. May support cancer treatment. Baking soda is not a cure for cancer, but it has been studied for its ability to make cancer treatments more effective by lowering the acidity around tumors. Some researchers believe that reducing acidity can help chemotherapy drugs work better. Although this research is still in its early stages, it's a promising area of study. Conclusion: baking soda is a versatile ingredient with numerous health benefits, from relieving heartburn and bloating to improving exercise performance and soothing skin. It's inexpensive and easily accessible, making it a valuable tool for home remedies. However, it's important to use it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional for long-term issues. Enjoyed the video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching and keep learning.